Hello, folks. Kyle from WS Tyler here, and I'm sitting down with Terry Morris, our architectural product manager. Terry, how are you doing today?
Hey Kyle, it's good to see you again. I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing well, and it's good to see you as well. Uh, Terry, I have a question for you. When it comes to architectural mesh, what are some applications that people can use it for?
That's a good question, Kyle. Architectural mesh is a pretty versatile material. We have many different patterns that are used on the exterior of a building or the interior. Um, so, as you might know, the architectural department started about 20 years ago in the US and a few years
Mhm.
before that in Germany, where we're headquartered. But before that, we've actually been providing architectural mesh for, I want to say, since the 60s or 70s. We started providing mesh for the elevator cab industry. Mesh was kind of the standard for the interior panels of elevator cabinets. And
Okay.
we still provide those today, actually quite a good amount, but most of the applications that mesh is used for, of course, are facade applications like for parking garages, office buildings, which is probably our main application that we use architectural mesh for, because we can use our standard tension system. We can weave the panels in very long, you know, up to 10 feet wide, 100 feet tall. So it's great for covering large areas like an open parking garage. And because that material is also open, it's going to allow for that open air requirement on the parking garage. So
Mhm.
facades are probably our main application, but we get a lot of railing infill panels, wall panels, interior wall panels. One of the nice things about that is you can actually, what we see a lot in interior applications, while we're talking about interior, is
Mhm.
if the elevator cabinet is covered with a certain type of mesh pattern, we can see that kind of extended out through, like, let's say, like a hotel lobby,
Okay.
uh, which kind of gives that design language, translates it through the building. So a lot of times you'll walk into a hotel lobby, you might see a piece of mesh that is covering the bottom of the welcome desk, and then you walk in the elevator and see the exact same material. So lots of different applications, lots of different patterns. You might notice that we have quite a few on our website, but we're not limited to those patterns because
Okay.
everything is custom made. So if you need to change things up, add wires, remove wires, that's not an issue. So those are just a few applications, but I'm sure I'm missing quite a few. So
It seems like you could use wire mesh for quite a bit of things. So, well,
very
Terry,
true.
thank you for answering my question today. I appreciate that, and I will see you soon. Okay,
All right, thanks, Kyle. See ya.
have a good one.